Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove or disable number list from a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I'll remove this number from this comment box. Double click on this comment box and drag your mouse to select text. Now click this comment option, this menu bar, and this left side bar click on this arrow and click on this numbering down arrow and simply select this none option and all of numbering number and fully remove. If you want, you can add new numbering on your text and see this. And again, I'll remove this numbering. Yeah, in this way, you can add or remove number list from your comment box. And finally, select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.